Hello, guys. Good morning. Good morning. How are you? So let's wait for more people to join. I see we have around two people. Let's hit around 10 people and then start our morning analysis. And if you can hear me clearly, just type good morning. Give us a shout out in them. And you tell me which pair you're looking for to trade today. I'll try to be coming live more often. You may notice a lot of people wananiulizanga every time nisipokuja live. But if you are here today, we are about to start our analysis. TV nataka kuasha huko nyuma. Around 6 more people. Sheila Kimani, good morning. Okay. Now, you are good, yeah. Yeah. Good morning, Doc. Evelyn Wanja. Hi. Uh, Shiko. Hi, Doc. Poa sana. So, let me share my screen so we can start the analysis. Okay, okay, no. Just 1 minute. Yeah. So, guys, mnanisikia vizuri? I hope mnanisikia. And then we can start the analysis. We have Washington. Okay, good morning. So if you have any question, just type down on the comment section. If you want to ask me any question, just ask me. Let's start on today's Forex Factory. We have to check today's news so we can kickstart our analysis. And if you can't hear me, just tell me. If my video quality iko chini, niambie. On the other end, today is on a Monday, which is the 29th. Today we have a bank holiday of Euro. It's Italian bank holiday. And then we don't have any other major fundamentals we're expecting today. I think we are good. We can kickstart our analysis. Now, gold, I'll come as the last pair for me to analyze. But let's start on USDCHF. Let's come to USDCHF. This is on 4 hours. Let's come back here. On USDCHF, the same view I have been having since last week. Now the market, I'm still waiting for the market to either approach this area zone, the first zone, which is the break and retest, and the second zone, which is a fair swing, a change of character, and then we have an inverted head and shoulder, which is the head, the shoulders, and I'm waiting for the market to come back again. Same view on 4 hours. So this view is on 4 hours. So I'm still waiting for the market to still drop down all the way down to these particular levels for me to be able to continue buying USD CHF. Let's say on daily time frame. Okay, this on 2 hours, this on 4 hours. On those particular levels, those are the only zones I'm waiting for when it's come to 4 hours time frame. Let's go to USD card. Same case on USD card. I'm still waiting for the market to drop all the way down to these particular levels for more continuation of more buys. I can be able to continue more buys from these zones nimemark huku chini. Let me delete these particular zones all the way down here. Those are the only particular zones I'm waiting for. This pair, USD card and USDCHF. Note this pair, they have the same positive correlation. Let's go to GBP someone is asking trading gold. I normally analyze gold as the last pair. So use this GBP we have been buying from this particular level, did a break and retest again. Let's come back on daily time frame. Let's remove all the trends now. This on daily time frame, this weekly, daily, 4 hours. At this level, I don't have any confidence for more opportunity for it. But as what I can see, this market level it's a tricky area for you to continue buying because guys, I can see an inverted head and shoulder, not only inverted, but a head and shoulders. It's not a good level for you to continue buying. So we can see a very nice drop from that GBP CHF. Let's go to GBP USD. On GBP USD, I'm looking forward for the market to still retrace all the way back to these levels. These levels. You can notice most of the market they are retracing. I'm waiting for them to retrace all the way back to these levels. This is on GBP USD on 4 hours. Noting that I'm not willing to continue selling GBP USD anymore right now because the market is still bearish. But at this particular level, I'm waiting for a correction for the market to come back again to those levels. Let's go to Euro USD. Same case to Euro USD. Why did we have these buys? Are they activated today? We had these buys since last week. I think we did it in the office. We were waiting for the market to come back to these particular levels, which is a break and retest and an order block. Yes, the market has already activated these areas. We're waiting for the market to come and activate these areas on. This was last week's analysis. It was an order block which was left. I think we did this analysis on Friday with the previous class. The market came back again right now to this order block here. You can see the market has already activated the order block. Nimeguza order block side ya juu. Waited it iguze katikati, and then I'm waiting for the market to go all the way back. Kumbe tulikuwa na all like two positions. We had these sales from here and this buy, but now I'm active buys on Euro USD all the way up, all the way up. I have noticed that the market was on a downtrend. It has already done a failure swing, a change of character. And when I turn this on a 4 hours, you'll notice the market has already changed the direction. Was it on 4 hours or is it on 2 hours? Let's turn it to Nikuonyesha. I think it was 4 hours, not 4 hours. Ilikuwa imefanya failure swing, change of character. You can notice this market was on a downtrend, creating lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, but now it's creating high highs, higher lows, high highs, higher lows, high highs, higher low. So from here, we're expecting the market to create another higher highs all the way up there. And then Euro AUD, coming back to Euro AUD, let's see on a daily time frame. Being on a daily time frame, it has been up and Euro AUD has been buying, 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 buying. We waited for the market to come back again to this particular, which is an inverted, and I think we had a fair swing change of character. Still waiting for the market to come back again to these A levels for us to continue buying Euro AUD. You see, I'm still waiting for the market to come back. This is the only premium area we can be able to experience more buys. Guys, mnanisikia? Are you getting me? Are you getting me on the other end? So for mobiles, we want the market to activate this area zone. Kwani watoka wapi? We have around 11 people. Those are less people compared there. Wajamka now. Eurocard. Let's go to Eurocard. On daily time frame, let's come back and remove all the trends. This is on a daily time frame. What's the view on Eurocard? Let's see on weekly. Low battery. Okay, cancel. This is on a weekly. Last week closed on a bearish after failing to make a new high from that. That's a red flag. So meaning on daily, this market will still drop. It was unable to make a new high after that rejection. It had a failure swing change of character. You can see it. There's a failure swing change of character at this particular level. So meaning on 4 hours, let's come back again. Kumaanisha hii market ni kushuka inashuka. Let's come back again. Now we have a good head and shoulder. Very nice. Euro card here. So meaning we are going to have very nice sales from here. Very nice sales from this particular level. And then we can have go for a short position. A stop loss, strictly I put my stop loss there and I'll target my TP1 there and continue dropping all the way that. So that's the setup on Eurocard for today. Mnaiona vizuri? That's a very nice setup. View on 1 hour. Na kama nakimbia, you can go back. The video inakwanga recorded. You watch it again. It'll be a very nice view. This is GBP card. Mbona ina range hivi on 1 hour? This is too much ranging for us. We can control that. Let's go on the daily time frame. Same case. On such a scenario market, unaona kwanza ni daily 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 days the market has been consolidating on the same area. Market iko hivi, unaona this way. It's a bit tricky for us to be able to continue to be able to give you a preview of the where the market is heading to. So we skip it, and then we go to Euro GBP AUD. GBP AUD, when it come here, I'm still waiting for the market to come back all the way to this order block. But once it may confirm sales, forcing it says tutazichukua, but I'm still waiting for the market to come back again to this order block, make a changa huku. USD JPY inaenda vibaya. Check this on forwards. There is no any amount of money you can make on such a market. US oil, US oil imekuwa ikishuka kutoka ile flag break and retest has been dropping. On today's I don't see any view on oil bado. Sioni any view on oil. Sina any view because even on 1 hour hapa I don't have any view I can give when it's come to trading oil. Let's go to CAD JPY. This is on 4 hours. The market bado imechange direction, iko na failures in a change of character. And these JPY pairs, they have very funny movement today. Let's check on and now we are waiting for the market to come back again to this area. Bwana ikuja hii area tulikuwa naongoja nini? Was it another block which was visible ama ilikuwa nini? It was another block, I think 45 minutes. The market imefanya break and retest. For the JPY pairs, I see them more buys on them because even JPY is giving me more of a flag, more continuations of buys on this JPY pairs. Same case to Euro JPY. When you come to this particular level, the market has just done a break and retest. So the market is still on a bullish. It will make a new a new high. NZD JPY, same case, more buys. AUD JPYs, mobile. I'm looking for a place where you can be able to have a re-entry, but they don't give. I'm not seeing any possible re-entry there. CHF JPY, NZD card. So on NZD card on 4 hours, why did we wait for this particular pair? We were waiting for the market to come back again to this particular level for more sales. So wait for the market to retrace these areas on NZD card, which is visible on 1 hour or 4 hours. No, sorry, it's visible on 4 hours. Let's go to Nasdaq. Nasdaq, we had this break and retest, which was visible on 4 hours last week. And remember that Nasdaq unaweza trade tu jioni peke yake. I have no view on Nasdaq. Haina view because I can't see anything possible outlook on Nasdaq on daily. Nothing shows me more buys because this range in here can't confirm for me more buys, and the sales were here on a break and retest and a head and shoulders, so nothing. Let's go to GBP NZD. More buys on this particular 4 hours. GBP NZD, Euro NZD, same case, buys retracement all the way buys from these zones to my mark. GBP JPY, more buys, and then can we have a break and retest in here? We have only these pairs. We have the order block, which is visible on 1 hour. Just a slight retracement to the order block. We can look forward for more buys on GBP JPY. More of it. US30. We have been buying US30 since last week on Friday. But on now particular level, Mali market iko sahi, US30, 4 hours. This is too much changing. So this market up, let's wait for it to give us a clear direction where the market is heading to. And then NZD USD, this is inafanya retracement zote hizi USD pairs, they are doing a retracement. Wait for the market to do a failure swing. NZD currently now we have a failure swing and a change of character. Once it change character, we can wait for a re-entry. The market will go up, we come back again, we do a re-entry. For more buys on here on NZD USD. AUD USD, same case, these pairs zinafanya retracement. I'm waiting for I'm looking for this market zikuja hapa. But for us to have a re-entry here on this pair AUD USD, wait for the market sasa imefanya failure swing, wait for the market to change character hapa. Ikichange character hapa, we can wait for more retracement and then turudi tuingie more buys. But for now, you can take a buy, wait for it to go high, retrace, and then you continue buying. AUD NZD 4 hours ranging. Hizi market ni zina range pia hii. No view in such a scenario market kama I can't recommend any, but iko na failure swing change of character hapa. AUD NZD on 4 hours. Let's reset chart view. I don't have any view on this pair. It is ranging too. I don't have any view on it. It's no ilikuza stop loss Friday. It's just ranging. Let's wait for it. Bitcoin. Bitcoin is at 59. Wait a minute. Who had this? How did I have these buys? Oh, we had them on Friday. Remember, we had this analysis on Friday. It was buys. We are looking for buys up. But let me remove trends. One thing I've been noticing, this market inakujanga ina make a new low. So can we just mark the previous day kwanza? Because I see the market is gonna potential approaching the previous day, which is here. The liquidity come back to 1 hour. For Bitcoin, I'm looking forward for it to drop more, to drop. So if I want to actually look for more sales today, I will look for them from this particular level with a stop loss exactly hapo and target hivi. And actually Bitcoin iko na pesa mzuri, Ethereum, EURCHF. EURCHF, we were looking for it last week on Friday. We were looking for buys from this particular level. You can clearly see because of an inverted head and shoulders. And then we go to gold. Now, this is gold. Actually, I have deep analysis on gold. I want you to come here on weekly, you notice something. Now, this is on a weekly time frame. I hope you can clearly see my charts. Tuanzie huku juu. Now you can clearly see my charts. Na leo analysis zangu ziko very clear. Hadi laptop iko very clear, guys. Ama ni mimi naona hivyo. You know, I'm watching this laptop with another phone. Analysis zangu ziko very clear. Okay, so for those people, up to that point, any question? Sorry. Up to that, any point, anybody who has a question, any pair that I have not touched on, and you have any question? Evelyn ameuliza AUD USD. Let me just show you. AUDUSD no nangasoma comments. AUDUSD nimesema I'm looking forward for the market to come back all the way back to these levels. The 4 hours, which is a break and retest. Easy levels za hapa. But for now, wait for the market to change character and we'll buy. But hapo huwezi kuchukua any buys at this particular level. Yeah. Okay, so for those people, the other people, let me go for the next pair. So when it's come to gold, this is my view on this gold. I want you to come here on weekly time frame, and I want you notice something. Look at this. On weekly time frame, let's start here. This on May 26th. You can clearly see this. Remember that one candlestick, of course, represent like one week candlestick. This market came back and swiped this liquidity. Ya hii wiki ingine ikashuka. You can clearly see hapa hivi. The market ilikuja hapa ikaswipe liquidity ya hii wiki ingine ikashuka. Tukakuja the next week. The next week ikashuka, hiyo wiki ingine, hii wiki, the other week ikakuja ikaswipe liquidity ya hii wiki ingine ikashuka. The other week ikashuka yote. The other week ikashuka tena, and then the other week ikakuja ikaswipe liquidity hiyo wiki ingine. So what I'm expecting this market to do a retracement level. So the only possible sales we can be able to have very good possible sales for gold, meaning that we change direction ya gold, but this is just a retracement that is happening. So the only possible good sales we can have ni liquidity ya hii wiki ingine. Umepata hapo at that particular level. So ukiwa umefanya hivyo umemaliza analysis zako. Can you see, guys, mmeona venye nimepeleka from all the way from here. This week came and swipe liquidity the other week. This week came and swipe this liquidity from the other week. And then you come back to this week, it can swipe liquidity of the other week. So the only possible sales for gold we have, they are at 42.24 at 0.19. That's why we have the discounted, the premium area we can be able to trade gold for sales. Otherwise, hizi zingine ziko hapa hivi tu ni retracement level. If you check like from the past, this is wiki ngapi? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the past 4 weeks, and I repeat, no mtu asiniambia hajaona tena, gold ilikuja hapa hivi ya hii wiki ya May ikaswipe liquidity, hii wiki nyingine ikashuka, ikakuja hapa ikaswipe liquidity ikashuka, hii wiki nyingine ikaswipe liquidity ikashuka. So hii wiki hata last week hatukuswipe liquidity ya hii wiki nyingine because hakukuwa na liquidity hapo. So the only liquidity imebaki ni ya hii wiki, the previous week hapa hivi high. So the only thing, I don't mean that gold is bullish. This ni retracement level tuko nazo hapa. And you can clearly see on back on lower time frame like 1 hour. Like unajua retail traders ukitrade hivi kwa 1 hour. Hii ni shift, market imeanza kushift from a break and retest. Hata sasa mnaona sasa imefanya break and retest, creating higher highs and higher lows. You can see break and retest. Sorry, gold napenda kutumia horizontal line. I can show you break and retest, Recognize when you come back on 4 hours and I switch market into a line chart, this market ishafanya failure swing, isha shift character from a failure swing, and then ndo niliona Friday watu wana sales, market ilikuwa imeshift character. You can clearly see imeshindwa kuendelea na imechange character from kushuka to kupanda, but this correction yenye imeanza kupanda hapa hivi itakuja, hii market inabai kutoka hapa ikuja all the way back hadi hapa. So for now, for me, I will advocate for you to go for long sales. Kama unataka ku catch good sales ziko at this particular level. Let me convert into a candlestick chart so as you can see. So good sales ziko hapa hivi at 4224.19. mtaona hiyo price. I hope you have it on your name. So that's the only possible retracement level we have for gold. So the next thing is we can only position ourselves and try to capture this, how to get these buys. Now, if you didn't get this buy from this, of course watu wa UB wamepata hizi entries hapa na break and hizi buys za hapa hivi. So the only other way is wait for the market to clear liquidity, because hakuna liquidity imeswipewa ya leo, na liquidity ya leo iko at this particular level. So if you want to really catch an entry, another entry, re-entry for gold today, it's at this level. Yeah, market ikuje swipe liquidity, and then you come and have your entry again. Yeah, so that's the only possible outlook for gold. So wait for retracement, jiposition vizuri, capture that good buys. Any question hadi hapo? Unajua me I just use liquidity, hakuna kitu kingine. Nishamaliza analysis zangu za gold. Yeah. So another thing is, and I will emphasize, for you to trade like gold, ujue kuangalia direction, like ujue kujua the direction of where the market hit is, ujue kudifferentiate between leo market iko buy, market iko sells, and all those kind of structures. Kwa market structure, huwezi kuja kutrade liquidity kama hujaelewa pia market structure vizuri. So that's the only outlook we have for XAUSD. Yeah. Any question hadi hapo? For those people who are live on YouTube, actually, guys, I'm live on YouTube. Let me show you. When you're on TikTok, I do go live on YouTube each and every day. You can see that I'm streaming on YouTube. So that's why you can be able to see these analysis from. So if you're watching me on TikTok, just know that nimekuja tu kufanya analysis ya gold peke yake, nirudi YouTube, because I'm streaming live on YouTube, and that's why you're going to get these more analysis. So if we tend to use now, actually, let me just sijamalizia analysis. Kuna mahali nimekuwa nafanya mark up. Yeah. And on the other currencies, if you're looking for to trade currencies, we have Euro CHF. Is it Euro CHF? It's a very nice pair to trade for us. Euro CHF. What is Euro CHF? There's a pair tumeona hapa. You can put, is it not Euro NZD? It's not Euro CHF. Let me put it on 4 hours. We have more possible outlook, more buys on Euro CHF, more buys from here. And you can, another one, see Euro something. Is it Euro something? Euro card, I think it's Euro card. Let me see. Yeah, and also Euro card, we are looking for a very nice short for sales from those particular level on Euro card and Euro CHF. So there's something else I have noticed. Euro USD has a very nice pair. We had these buys from this market, it became a shift direction. This one was analysis we did on Friday, and this also was on Friday on our office. Yeah, we did it here. Any other question? I don't think there's any other pair in Euro USD. Eco active, and BTC. I'm looking forward for more sales, and BTC na moving jioni. I'm looking forward for more sales on Bitcoin. More sales on Bitcoin. Is a USD card hizi range sasa. Kwanza hizi let me tell you, unaona USD card venye na range hivi, ikishuka USD card na USD CHF hizi zinafanya hivi, zikishuka hivi gold itapepea kupepea kabisa. So euro hii pair USD CHF has a negative correlated with gold. So whenever we see more opportunity, like you can clearly see on this pair, the only possible buys we have for USD CHF ni hizi chini huko. So ni kumaanisha pia gold itafanya a very good nice retracement for us to continue selling. So nice retracement ya gold ni just going up, and then so you can give us more room for us to continue selling and make new lows. Any question at this point? I will just answer any questions. And because I was live on YouTube, so for those people who are joining TikTok, I rarely go live on TikTok to do analysis. I do live streams on YouTube. You can see say my laptop inafanya live stream. Tuko na watu 12, lakini TikTok mnaweza fika hata watu 300. But I rarely do this because on YouTube it's recorded. So hata sasa ukirudi kwa YouTube yangu utapata this recorded live stream nimeifanya hapo. Chick GBP USD. Okay, same case nimepeana GBP USD, nimesema for GU same case I'm looking for more buys, but GU re-entry ndo unajua imesha shift, imefanya fair swing. Ukiangalia change of character, re-entry ndo hakuna, because nikiangalia hata 4 hours sioni any re-entry. Nikirudi 2 hours, of course I want this market to approach this area. I'm trying to check where I can have you give your re-entry, unless we turudi lower time frame ya 15 minutes tuone retracement levels. Kama kuna order block tunaweza angalia hapa hii area, kama tuone kama kuna sniper order block imebaki 15 minutes, hakuna any order block pia imebaki. Tukikuja 5 minutes, so the only retracement level you can have for GU, na mniangalia, actually this is a very good area. Let me show you something. This let me show you this. So if you want to do re-entry on GU, this is the open of the day. This was the high of the day. So the market shall grab, it shall hit on the high of side of it. So wait for the market to retrace back to this area for you to have a more buy opposite. Na hii ni re-entry ya saa hii. GU ikirudi this area, look forward for more buys, tuendelee in target maybe here. Target these areas for hours research chart view. Wacha irudi hapo and target for more buys hadi hapa, exactly hapo. So 50, let's go to 15 minutes. Wait for retracement. Sorry. Mbona nachana kama mtu akwenda shule. Yeah. That is it. So re-entry iko hapa hivi. So look for a long position from that with a stop loss slight, yeah, hapa stop loss iko sawa and target hivyo. So re-entry ya GU unaweza kupea hivyo. So if you want to do a re-entry on GBPUSD, do a re-entry from that level. Yeah. Any other question? Any other question? Any other question? So if you have any pair, today I'm free actually, I'm doing analysis. If you have any pair you want me to check it out for you, just comment down. And those people on YouTube, you can ask any question. And I'm checking out those comments on YouTube. The live stream. Okay, gold. Sasa gold nimemaliza saa hii, nimekuja tu gold. Unaweza enda pale YouTube ufanye. Nimefanya very deep analysis on gold. Nimepeana a very good entry. NZUSD and Euro USD. I can do more analysis on currency before niende live stream nitafanyia ya gold, because hata nikifanya huyu gold kuna mwingine atajoin tu bado aniambie gold tena. Unapata sasa, so wacha tufike watu 100 nifanye gold mara moja nitoke live stream niende, because even if nikifanya hata saa hii gold, let me do currencies. So mtu ameniuliza anataka NZD something, is a common NZUSD and Euro NZD. So NZUSD actually has a very nice entry ya buys. Imeshafanya fair swing, change of character, come back on 1 hour. You see this, you can see this market has been on a very good downtrend. It has been really dropping. At this particular level, we have a failure swing, but the market has not done a change of character. So what I want is the market will do a change of character, we do a re-entry. So at this particular level, huwezi chukua buys, wait for the market to just confirm. Ipite juu, break, maybe come to these highs, these levels, and then we drop, because it has shoot all the way to those levels, then do a retracement, and then we continue buying. So that's the view on NZUSD. That is it. So that's a view on NZD. Hii ngine umeniambia ni Euro what? That's exactly my setup. Yeah. Yeah, iko hivyo. Wiki ya hiyo ndo setup kabisa. That's analysis. Mimi nikifanya analysis, as long as unajua forex, hata mimi nikifanya analysis hapa, unafanya analysis kwa hapo kwa nyumba, zinafaa zifanane, as long as you know like what you are doing in the market. Yeah. TP ya GBP ni gani? TP ya GBP nishapeana. GBPUSD ni hii, re-entry unategea saa hii tu. Maana GU re-entry ni saa hii tu. TP kwa hapa. The reason nimepeana TP, acha nikumark exact TP unafaa utarget wapi. Target TP hapa. Chini yake exactly. Yeah, exactly hivyo nimemark. So chani kuje hapa. Let's go on like on 30 minutes. GU ndio hiyo. Ongoja market irudi hapa, uchukue mobiles, utarget hapa. This area. Utarget, don't target over target here, target this area. Utaiona tu on 30 minutes. That's the setup on GBPUSD. I think mnaiona vizuri. Ndio hiyo. Na XAUSD nimesema gold nafanya ya mwisho, because nashinda nifanya gold kila mtu anakuja comment nini. Waingia YouTube, analysis ya gold iko huko ya. Ndio naingia hadi check gold, NZUSD, Euro NZ, US30. Stacy, let me give US30 nimeingia Friday ndo nilikuwa na analysis ya US30, but leo sioni anything. Ndio hii. Iko hapo tu. US30 na Nasdaq sina anything. This range in market siwezi ku advise anything on it. kidogo tulikuwa tuna buy Friday kutoka huku, leo naona hii USDT inaweza shuka. I don't have any view on USDT. This market hii venye imereja bangalia hapa na forwards. You see this kind of market, I don't have anything. But we have a clear direction on USDT and the same case which is visible on Nasdaq. And guys, if you're new on this live stream, those people are live on TikTok, like we have around 60 people. I do go live on YouTube and I do this live stream iko recorded. So ukienda YouTube yangu utaona this analysis ziko huko. So ukitaka kunifuatanga sana enda YouTube. Sikujingi TikTok everyday kufanya analysis, but YouTube utanipata huko. Let me do gold so that I can wind up this analysis and I'll just repeat it in a quicker way. Niwaonyeshe quick analysis before nitoke. I have been live for 1 hour on YouTube, so I need to end the live stream. So let's remove all the drawings. We come on gold. Gold, technically, you can clearly see on a monthly, you do the top-down analysis. Market iko bearish, very bearish on a monthly time frame, which is visible from the eyes. When you go to weekly, the market is still on a bearish trend. But market hata kama iko hivi bearish on monthly na weekly, market haishukangi hivyo directly. Inafanyanga retracements, inaendelea kushuka. Inafanya retracement, inaendelea kushuka. So hata hii market ukiingia sell saa hii, yes, market ni sell, but itakuosha. So what you do is look for the possible retracement level where the market itarudi for you to continue selling. So you know how to position yourself in this market. So when you come on a weekly time frame, let me zoom in hivyo. Nikizoom hivyo on weekly, you are noticing market ilikuja hapa ikaswipe liquidity on this weekly. This was on May. The next week pia ikakuja ikashuka ikaswipe liquidity. Tukakuja tena hapa hivi on the other week ikaswipe liquidity. So the only liquidity imebaki ni hii ya hii wiki, haijaswipiwa. So the only possible retracement for us to have sales is from that particular level, which is on weekly liquidity. And then we turn back to 4 hours. So meaning possible sales, if you want to sell gold, you can only risk sales from this particular price hapo. Unaona? Which is 4224.85. And again, kama unisikia vizuri, enda YouTube live iko recorded. When you come back to 1 hour, you are going to notice this market imeanza kushift. Ilikuwa inashuka, imeanza create higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Ishafanya break and retest in the morning, isharudi liquidity. So for me, I would advocate for more buys all the way hadi turudi hapa this level before we continue selling. So the market is still on a bearish, it's just doing a simple correction in the market. Now we can only position ourselves for more buys and we use now daily liquidity. Tukikuja kwa daily liquidity, so possible buys are gold, leo ziko hapa. Remove this sasa after imetupea hivyo. So kumaanisha possible entries for gold iko hapa. So that's the view on my view and my analysis. So kama if you want to go for long only here, and I would advocate for more buys because market enough retrace all the way back at these levels za 4 hours. If you want to get good sales, ama good sales na kupea very impulsive movement ni from this particular price ya gold. I think nimeshamaliza. So this is something that it happened hii wiki and I think nimeshamaliza. Any other question? Any other question? Any question? Any question? Any question? Someone is anasema nimwangalilie Euro USD. RX Kariuki Euro USD nimesha kuangalilia hapa. Nimekwambia Euro USD imekuwa active for buys from the order block and every shift of character tumekuwa active. For now re-entry ya Euro USD hapo kuchukua buy is a bit tricky. Isha kupita. Someone is asking USDJPO. USDJPO ina range. USDJPO hata nimeshindwa kuwapea entry because hii market angalia 1 hour 4 hours hapa. What is this market doing here? Let me research chart if you want. Nimekuwa nikiongoja Euro USD kuja huko hivi. USDJPO haipana. Hapa hakuna pesa unaweza unda. So there's no need of you wasting time hapa hivi. There's no need of you wasting time hapa. Hata ukiweka entry hakuna kitu utaunda. Achana nayo. Someone is asking, to me fundamental, I had already checked the calendar, unless something else. You know, there's a difference between fundamentals and sentimentals. Go and do a research about what is fundamentals in the market, what is sentimentals. Yeah. Fundamental ni hizo za forex factory, na hizo ziwezi kushtua. Hizo kwa ajili zinaendanga na technicals. The only thing inaweza kushtua kwa hii market ni sentimentals. So hiyo sentimentals ndo iko na high impact kwa market sana. Wachana na fundamentals. CHF, someone is UJ USDJPO nimeanza, Euro USD nimeanza. Someone mwingine ananiambia na CHF. CHF what wiki? CHF I think I have Gold please guys, mimi nimemaliza. Unaona mwingine amekuja hapa tena ameniambia nimwangalilie gold. Enda YouTube. If you want to see this analysis, enda YouTube. Enda YouTube to watch hizo analysis. Nishafanya analysis. Oh, USDCHF we have very nice buyers, they are coming along. Unaona USDCHF inakaa kushuka hadi all this retracement level, meaning gold ni kupanda. So hizi buyers za hizi ziko hapa, gold itaanza kupanda wakati USDCHF gold itaanza kusell wakati hizi ita activate hizi orders za USDCHF huku hivi sasa. Just know gold and USDCHF zinakuanga na correlated like 90 something percent. So assurance ya hii inapanga very good when you're trading gold. So hii ikibuy gold ina sell, hii ikisell gold ina buy, inapanga na very good correlated market. Na wenye ananiuliza gold tena, sirudi gold tena. Hiyo intervention ya JPY ni lini? Hiyo intervention ya JPY huwezi jua, inapanga tu random. There's no any somewhere you can be able to know about it. And guys, I think I've went up. If you want to see more of this analysis, go on my YouTube channel. YouTube channel yangu inajiita Dr. Forex. Let me show you usiulize ni aje. Ndio hii. Nafanya live stream sahi and you can see comments ziko huko. So ukiwatch ukienda huko utawatch hii live stream vizuri. And if you are new on this live stream, make sure you hit that follow button. Don't kikujanga live, you get educative content kama hizi. Let me flip camera. Nimeongea nimechoka. I can't speak anymore from that. Let's wind up. Thank you so much for those people live on YouTube. I'm ending the live stream. Nabaki na watu wa TikTok.